Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of formatting your text into spoiler in Telegram. Spoiler text is a great way to hide certain content and create suspense within your messages. So let's dive into the step-by-step process of formatting your text into spoiler in Telegram. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. Tap on a chat where you want to type your message. Start typing your text as you normally would. Step 3. To format a specific word or phrase into spoiler, follow it with 2 vertical bars, or écrit, before and after the text. For example, if you want to make the word secret a spoiler, type secret, wabai. Step 4. Once you've entered the desired text and added the vertical bars, simply send the message. Your spoiler text will appear hidden until the recipient taps on it. By following these simple steps, you can easily format your text into spoiler in Telegram, adding an element of surprise and intrigue to your messages. Remember, spoiler text can be a fun way to share secrets, hide spoilers, or create anticipation within your conversations. Thank you for watching, and enjoy adding spoiler formatting to your Telegram messages.